Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you're broke? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to Serbia for free. And if this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you, you see me, and I truly appreciate you guys. God bless you. And to those of you that are sharing my videos, especially my returning subscribers, thank you for the like. I see it. Yes, I see every single one of you. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And please do well to share today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can travel to Serbia for free. It's a fully funded conference. They'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of this conference. If you stress or something interested in, don't even touch it out. And if you're seeing it for the first time, let me introduce myself while you introduce yourself as well. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments because I really want to read from you guys. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and I'm a Miriam Monthly Fashion Designer on this channel. 3 videos every week. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I publish a new video. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me. Let's go. So guys, have you heard of the ISWiB? Yes, International Students Week in Belgrade, Serbia. ISWiB stands for International Students Week in Belgrade. So besties, if you are a student with a passion for global dialogue, with a passion for cultural exchange and personal growth, then you need to hear about the ISWiB. Now, the International Students Week in Belgrade is now on. It's not just a conference, it is a life-changing experience. And yes, it is fully funded for many participants. ISWiB takes place in Serbia's vibrant capital, Belgrade, and it brings students together, yes, from over 50 countries to explore global challenges through workshops, through panels, and cultural events. And each year, the festival focuses on a central theme like mental health, digital transformation, or sustainability, and it builds a week of activities around it. You're going to be part of a diverse group of thinkers, of creators, and of course, future leaders. And here is what is covered. ISWiB covers full coverage of accommodation, meals, and local transportation. Some participants also receive travel grants depending on their country and application strength. You will stay in students' dormitories, yes, and you're going to eat traditional Serbian meals and explore the city with your new international friends. Now, here is how to apply. This is the juicy part. To apply, you will need to fill out a detailed form and then write a motivational letter and sometimes submit a short video. Here are some of the tips that will help you gain a competitive edge. Be authentic here. So share your story. Why do you care about the theme? What do you hope to contribute? And what do you hope to learn as well? Mention any community work, any leadership roles or personal experience that aligns with the festival's mission. So just in case you don't know what to say, don't worry, I'll give you some ideas before the end of this video. And participants say ISWiB changed their lives because it's not just about learning, it's about connecting. You're going to meet people who will challenge your views, inspire your goals, and also become lifelong friends. Now, these cultural nights, the city tours, and late night conversations are unforgettable. Yeah, so if you are ready to grow, if you're ready to connect and represent your country on a global level or on a global stage, head to ISWiB's website and follow them on Instagram as well. Applications whenever applications. So guys, check their websites for when the applications open. So start preparing now. Yes, if you need help with your motivational letter, drop a comment. I have got your back. So guys, do you want to spend a week in Serbia with students from around the world completely free? I'm introducing you now to ISWiB. Yeah, ISWiB, like I said, it stands for International Students Week in Belgrade, and it is fully funded. It's a fully funded festival that brings together change makers for workshops, for cultural exchange and unforgettable experiences. So if you are selected, you're going to get free accommodation, free meals, and local transportation. Some people also get grant travel, and usually happens around spring. Yes, so please keep an eye on their website. And here are some reasons why you should apply. You're going to collaborate on global issues. You're going to explore Belgrade's vibrant culture and build lifelong friendships. So make sure that you check out their website and follow them on Instagram for updates, because I don't want you guys to miss this chance to grow and connect. I have another student conference that is happening in Slovenia, and I'm going to share it in my next video. Promise you guys, I'm going to share with you how to answer some of these questions. In case you're thinking, oh, I don't have any leadership experience, I have not led any group in the past, I don't have any community development projects that I've done. Some of you have taken part in community projects in your churches, in your mosques, in your religious settings, your religious organizations. You can mention it. You're welcome. Or maybe you helped resolve a conflict in school, in class at some point, or something was about to happen in your local community, in your county, or in your city, and something you witnessed and you were able to mediate and resolve the issue, you can add it to your post it here. Go ahead, because sometimes we second guess ourselves and we just downplay the things that we've done. Hello, you have experience. I don't care if you're 18 years old, you have 18 years of experience. There's something positive you must have done in the past that would, buttress your application and give some kind of support to your application. So why not think about a time that you did something, you contributed something positively. Maybe you helped a younger one resolve a conflict in their school or in their class or among their friends, or you helped gather a group of people to share a particular cause or to share a particular cause, and you were you spearheaded the movement, or you were actively participating in that cause. You can mention all of these things. It doesn't have to be formal. It doesn't have to be like, oh, okay, this person was appointed as the head of X and Y, and the person did it from this year to this year, from this period to this period. No, you can mention times. I'm not asking you to lie. Don't make anything up. And like I said, please be authentic in your application. If you're not authentic, they have a way of finding out. Some stories will just not add up. So please think about it carefully, and I'm rooting for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Please introduce yourself in the comments. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. From the depths of my heart, God bless you real good. So guys, that is all about it for today. And if you would like to also book a one-on-one consultation with me, maybe you want to speak with me after watching this video, or you have a couple of questions for me, that's fine. Go ahead and join my Patreon community. You better join my Patreon community. Click on it. The link is in my description, or you can also join my channel membership. Find the join button right next to the subscribe button, and of course we can take this to the next level. We can take that idea of yours to the next level. So guys, that is about it. Do not hesitate to apply. Are you going to be applying for this particular opportunity, this fully funded conference? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'm trying to name our community, right? Our community members. What name do you think that we should give to them? The name of this channel is Travel Abroad with Miriam, but what should be the name of our community? I mean, people who click on the join button to join my own community, inside community, my inner caucus, my insiders. Should I name them insiders? Just think of something. I want to brainstorm along with you. So if you don't mind, I'd like to hear your opinions, and I'd like to hear, what you think about it. So thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and watch out for my next video as well. Check out this video right here.